Hey guys, welcome to Gearshift Journey. Today we are excitingly, unboxing the DJI Flip Drone that I was eagerly waiting for. So I just received this parcel yesterday. So let's dive in and see what are there inside the box. So you can see DJI Flip that has the RC2 controller. So this is the Fly More combo with DJI RC2 ES. So this is the combo bundle. It's an ultra wide nano category drone that falls under 249 grams. Let's unwrap the seal and see what are the contents in the box. So I'm just peeling the seal, guys. The seal is peeled. So guys, we have peeled the first layer of the seal. Now let's unbox it and see the drone itself. So this is a very authentic product. So if you want to check its authenticity, you can just scan the QR code and verify it. So inside the box, we have this beautiful bag. Feels very premium. Yeah, so this is the bag. Let's keep this box aside. Now let's see what is there inside the bag. Here you go. Now itself, you see the drone itself. It's very compact. Just open the seal, guys. So this itself, a beautiful drone. Let's have a look at it. I'm excited to see how it performs. This is the LiDAR. This is the so-called LiDAR scanner. And you have this amazing RC control. I will not peel this because I need to install the screen protector. So this is just an unboxing video, everyone. So this is the RC2 remote. And also we have the charging case, charging dock, and I think we also have additional batteries. So let me just check that. Yeah. So we have 2 batteries, I assume. So let me just check. Yeah, 2 batteries. This one on this side, and as usual you flip it. Yeah, the battery. There is an option to add 2 more batteries. I think one comes inside the box. I think one comes inside this unit, and then you have another option to add an additional battery that makes it 4 batteries. So this is the battery charging dock. And what else? You have a screwdriver, a USB-C to C cable, and you have community forum card along with the user manual and the quick start guide and DJI sticker. And what else? Yeah, these are the blades, I think. Yeah, these are the additional blades. I don't know what the exact terminology, but yeah, these are the blades. 1, 2, 3, 4. Set of 3 additional blades. So that's it, guys. So this is just an unboxing video, and I'm only here to give you an overview of what is there inside the box. So in the next video, we will be testing this drone and see how it performs, and that will be an in-depth review. So till then, stay tuned.